Welcome to Minexa.ai. In the next few minutes, you will see how to scrape startup articles from Inc42.com and turn them into a clean dataset, with or without code. I am landing on the Inc42.com startups page, where the results are already visible. Then click the Minexa icon up here. One click is all it takes. With the extension open, press the violet button. Minexa identifies the startup articles automatically. The page scan is complete, and Minexa located the main results automatically, with pagination handled. Choose List Only for speed, or include detail pages for the full picture. Continue is the default choice, or select Advanced if you need to click drop-downs or buttons before the list appears. That highlighted part of the page is your dataset. Click Create Scraper and Minexa learns all the data there once. Minexa found every piece of data automatically, including article titles, summaries, dates, and authors, with no guessing or errors. For those who code, click API Request. No token costs or guessing. Just clean, structured JSON every time. Hit the button to lock in the configuration and finish your setup. Minexa found the pagination automatically, so every future run covers all result pages without extra work. Final step: schedule the job if you want fresh data regularly. Then click Complete Setup and you are done. Just hit run and the job is underway, gathering startup news and articles from Inc42.com efficiently. No guessing or mix-ups here. Each field, like article title, publication date, author, and summary, always comes from the right place, because the scraper uses fixed page positions, not AI guesses. Download the dataset now. Every result is in its own row, with all fields clearly separated into columns for easy use. Data from any website, in minutes, without writing a single line of code. For developers, this scraper works across millions of pages via API, with no retraining needed.